Welcome to Chetan Knowledge. Friends, today we will discuss December 2019 IGNOR Government Examination question paper, that is CHE 5 Organic Chemistry. Friends, today we will start in question number 2. This is question number 2a. Name the reaction and write the structure of product that is formed when the benzaldehyde is treated with aqueous ethanol potassium cyanide solutions. Friends, the structure of benzaldehyde, that is the formula C6H5CHO. Friends, when benzaldehyde is treated with aqueous ethanol potassium cyanide, that is KCl, the resultant product is this compound name is benzoin. Friends, when this benzaldehyde is treated with KCl, benzoin is formed. Let's go to the next questions. Complete the following reactions. Friends, this is nitrobenzene. When nitrobenzene is treated with HCl, concentrated HCl with metal and heat, the compound is formed, that is but when this nitrobenzene is go through this in the presence of this NH4Cl and zinc, the product is formed, that is this is question number 3. Write the structure of alkenes which on ozonolysis gives only acetones and formaldehyde with benzaldehyde. Friends, we know when alkenes is treated with ozone, in the presence of ozone, it gives some Clavir's product. Let's try to understand this. Friends, in ozonolysis, we simply group in this double bond and join O group in this place, that is but in these questions our required is only acetone. The formula of acetone, that is CH3COCH3. So we simply put this CH3, join this CH3 in this R position. When we ozonolysis, in the presence of ozone, we just broken this double bond and simply join oxygen, we find two acetones, that is we write like other, that is 2 CH3C double bond O CH3. This is the formula of acetone. But friends, in this case, formaldehyde with benzaldehyde are formed. Let's try to solve this. Friends, we know this is benzaldehyde. And this is formaldehyde. Friends, when we taken from this compound, ozonolysis in the presence of ozone, this double bond is broken and two clavels further form. That is, this is benzaldehyde and this is formaldehyde. Friends, goes to the next question. This is question number D. What is the octet number? Write the structure of the compound which has octet number 100. Friends, we know octet number is a measure of gasoline, measure some amount of number, a certain number, in a certain number is called octet number. Friends, the octet number increase, the quality of gasoline is also good quality, and when the octet number is decreased, the gasoline quality is decreased or poor fuel. The structure of compound which has contained the octet number 100. Friends, the octet number 100, the molecule is, the compound is 2,2,4 trimethyl pentane. This 2,2,4 trimethyl pentane contain the octet number is 100. The structure of this 2,2,4 trimethyl pentane, that is, we just join 3 methyl in this position. But friends, N-heptane as the octet number is 0. This is very poor fuel. This is question number E. Write the reaction and the reagent for the conversion of C6H5CONH2, C6H5CH2NH2 and C6H5NH2. Let's try to solve these questions. When this C6H5CONH2 lithium aluminum hydride, in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride, C6H5CH2 NH2 is formed. But when this C6H12CONH2 denoting the presence of bromine in aqueous solutions, this C6H5NH2 is formed. This reaction is also called the Hofmann-Bromide reactions. Friends, in this lecture, we did not go to the detailed explanations. If you want to the detailed explanations, just comment in the comment sections. This is question number F. Write the structure of the following. R2 pentanol. The structure of R2 pentanol, friends, we know 2-pentanol structure, that is in second position for OH group. When we convert this structure into R2 pentanol, that is friends, we did not discuss the detailed explanations. This is higher priority group and this is second, this is third, and in the clockwise directions. So this is called R2 pentanol. This is Z3-bromo-2-hexene. The structure of 3-bromo-2-hexene, that is in third position, bromine is present and 2 hexenes, second hexene. We convert this structure into Z, that is this is the resultant rate configuration. Go to the next question. This is question number G. This is the last question. Which one of the following is the most basic and why? The three structure are given. Which is the more basic and why? Friends, we know nitrogen contains lone pair of kilotons. This nitrogen group is directly combined with this benzene ring. So this lone pair of electrons is delocalized in this benzene ring. So this benzene ring, this compound is directly did not donate its lone pair of electron. Friends, we know which compound donates in Lewis structures, Lewis theory. Which compound donate lone pair of electron easily is so more basic. So in this case, due to delocalization of electrons, it did not show the basic characters. In second structures, there are two NH2 groups are present. So this compound is also show the delocalization of, that is resonance, or this lone pair of electrons are delocalized in this benzene ring. But in this case, friends, we know CH3 group show plus I effect, means it donate electrons from this nitrogen group. So this compound is easily donate electron so as compared to these two structures, two compounds, this compound is more basic as compared to this compound because of the donation of lone pair of electrons. Friends, we know which compound donate easily. This compound donate easily lone pair, so is so more basic as compared to this two. The resultant answer is this compound is so more basic, most basic as compared to this. To the above. Friends, this lecture is helpful. Please share with your friends and subscribe, like and press the bell icon. Thank you so much.